In this video, we will go over the adjustability along with some of the basic disassembly of the Lion American Legend Series 1971 structural firefighting helmets. First, I would like to point out the two main reasons we developed the Legend Series helmets. One, to meet the demands from the field for a lightweight traditional helmet, and two, to increase the internal dimension from temple to temple to give it a more comfortable fit. Next, I would like to point out the primary difference between the two Legend Series helmets. It really comes down to eye protection preference. The American Legend X has the following eye protection options: flip downs, also known as borks, goggles, or a 4-inch external face shield. The American Legend helmet comes only equipped with a certified integrated visor. The helmets are shipped from our warehouse already adjusted to fit 80% of our customers. However, you may find it necessary to adjust it in more detail. The first adjustment is the headband ratchet wheel. It's operated by turning it clockwise or counterclockwise. This may be the only adjustment you need to make a comfortable fit. To do this, place the helmet on your head and adjust the chin strap. This is done by adjusting the postman slide and then securely clipping the buckle. On the back of the headband is a large ratchet wheel. Turn the wheel clockwise to tighten or counterclockwise to loosen. Most of you will find this is all the adjusting that is needed to have a comfortable fit. The following adjustments may be performed without removing the headband and suspension system, but for this video we will demonstrate the removal for educational purposes. If more detailed adjustments are needed, remove the helmet, turn it over, and remove the 4 tabs that hold the suspension system and headband in place. This is done using our helmet tool. This tool is available through our customer order department. Use the tool to pop out each of the 4 tabs. If you do not have a helmet tool, the alternative way is to grasp the tab down low where it is connected to the inner liner. With your hand, gently wiggle the tab while firmly pulling straight up. Do this with all 4 tabs. Once the full assembly is out of the shell, the ear neck protector is easily removed. Release the ear neck protector from the suspension system using the green strap that is threaded through and held in place with Velcro. The ear neck protector will then fall off. Now the height or the ride of the helmet can be easily adjusted. Looking at each of the 4 tabs, you can choose between 3 different height settings. Each of the 4 tabs can be adjusted independently. Again, this affects how high or how low the helmet sits on your head. The next step allows a greater degree of adjustment to the circumference of the headband. Underneath the headband cover, located on each side, you will find a snap tab. These snap tabs operate just like the back of most baseball caps. Although you can adjust them independently, the slots are marked alphabetically to help keep the headband symmetric if desired. Once you have adjusted these, replace the headband cover. Let's pause the display and identify each of the parts that make up the complete system by laying them all out. First, here's the headband. This is the suspension system. This is the Nomex headband cover. It comes in two separate pieces, a front and back. And finally, the ear neck protector. Once these are all assembled, it will look like this. Next, let's reassemble the suspension system and headband and place it back into the helmet. This is done by reattaching the headband at the two snap points. Remember that you can keep it symmetric by utilizing the alphabetic tabs. Once these are snapped into place, you can check that it is operational by simply turning the ratchet wheel. Now let's reattach the suspension system to the headband. This is done by lacing each of the four height tabs through the four headband tabs. At this time, it is easier to make the height adjustment. Place each tab to the desired height. Again, you may keep them at the same level or adjust them independently. Now attach the Nomex headband cover. This is easily done by attaching it with the Velcro tabs. There are two pieces to this cover. The larger of the two goes on the front and the smaller one goes on the back. The next step is to reconnect the ear neck protector. This is done by first lacing the suspension system through the slot sewn into the ear neck protector. Then loop the white banding around each of the four tabs. This helps keep the ear neck protector secure to the helmet. Once the complete system is reassembled, it can be placed back into the helmet. This is easily done by lining up each of the four tabs. Push each one individually until you hear a click. Now you have disassembled, adjusted the fit, and have reassembled your Lion American Legend Series helmet. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this not only helps you properly adjust your Lion helmet, but it will also make you more confident to disassemble it so that you may properly clean the helmet, keeping you safer.